In the very heart of Delhi, there stands a magnificent and spacious bungalow that once belonged to 17th century ruler Raja Jai Singh, which now enjoys the status of holy shrine called Gurdwara Bangla Sahib. The Gurdwara is dedicated to Guru Har Krishan, the 8th Guru of the Sikhs. The entire complex of this holy place is instantly recognizable with its outstanding sculpted architecture. One can see a golden dome on top of the temple which symbolizes an inverted lotus, underneath which the holy book of Sikhs, Guru Granth Sahib, is worshipped. From early sunrise to nightfall, the Gurdwara is open for devotees to come for worshipping to the Almighty God as well as to serve and help others. People believe that through coming to this Gurdwara, one's sincere prayers can be fulfilled. Every day, more than 10,000 visitors from all over the country and even overseas come to Gurdwara Bangla Sahib.
जावे मेरा प्रभु अपना निर्मोल दास रखो दीना हे पपारे पूरे लीना
The sanctity of the Gurdwara originates from its unforgettable history. Back in 17th century, this place was known as Jaisinghpura Palace, belonging to Raja Jai Singh. The city was raging with smallpox during that time, which caused more than 1,000 dead. It is said that Guru Har Krishan dipped his holy feet in water and it transformed into a remedy for the deceased. The tank which contains the holy water is still here in the Gurdwara complex and is now known as Sarovar. The water is revered as having healing properties and is considered highly sacred and auspicious. Religious men and women take a holy dip in Sarovar before entering the shrine for purification of mind, body, and soul. The two aspects of Sikhism, Seva and Simran, are widely and beautifully practiced in Gurdwara Bangla Sahib. People perform Seva or selfless service in different ways, such as cleaning floors, serving food and water, washing dishes, helping in construction and maintenance of temple, etc. Seva may seem mundane or ordinary in itself, but its essence lies in the way one performs it, which brings out humility and elimination of one's ego. The dedication and strong faith in these Sevadas can be seen through their joyous faces and remarkable enthusiasm. To the east of the main area of worship, there is a common kitchen offering langar to all pilgrims and visitors. Langar is the offering of free vegetarian food to anyone irrespective of the caste, color, or religion. The concept of langar, originally started by Guru Nanak Dev, stems from the thought that no one should have to beg for food. Despite the rush and constant activity, there is no pushing around and the atmosphere is serenely peaceful. Bangla Sahib's Gurdwara's langar serves 180 people every 15 minutes and dishes out an astonishing 8,000 meals a day. Not the place to feed the poor, it is the place to feed the body and soul of the congregation. Everyone sits together for the meals as equals. Sikhism places primary importance on remembering God at all times. After religiously performing seva, a Sikh indulges himself in remembrance of God, which is called Simran. The word Simran is derived from a Sanskrit word Smaran, which means remembrance. One sits in a cross legged position and chants the name of the god, Satnam Vaheguru. It is a form of meditation which brings calmness to the mind and allows one to concentrate on the image or qualities of God. In Gurdwara Bangla Sahib, devotees gather together and sing hymns and Song of Guru, which is often called a satsang. Guru Granth Sahib also emphasizes the significance of Simran in the verse Simar Simar Sukh Paye, which means meditating in remembrance, I have found peace.